Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix your account being closed on Cash App, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this support guide simply because I don't have a Cash App in my region, so I do hope you guys understand. But other than that, the reason why your account might be closed is either if you closed it yourself or if it's been closed by Cash App themselves. Now, the reason they might close your account is because either they've detected fraudulent activity or activity that goes against the terms of service, and if it's an error and you didn't do anything that's unallowed, you can easily contact support to fix it. However, if you did, then you probably won't be able to reopen your Cash App account, and that's pretty much that. I'm not sure if you've been verified on that account. I'm pretty sure if you try to verify other accounts, they will also be closed. So I'm not sure if that's what you did, but if you didn't, as I mentioned, you can easily contact support. To contact support, all you need to do is go into the app and go into the top right to access your account settings, then scroll down to support and either start a chat or search for your specific issue. Now, if you search for the issue and report it or contact support directly, your account closure will be reviewed to determine if you didn't get banned for breaching the terms of service, and if it's eligible for the appeal, the appropriate team will review your account and determine if it can be re-enabled, after which they will contact you within up to 30 days, and as soon as the review is complete, they'll contact you and reopen your account from there on. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.